Students, today we are going to study part 5th of your class 9th economics, and the topic which we are going to discuss is main sectors of Indian economy. This is the last topic of this chapter. Students, as we all know that Indian economy is one of the fastest growing economy in this world, and it was estimated that in 10 to 15 years this will be in the top 3 economy of the world. So here the Indian economy sectors have been mainly divided into 3 sectors. First is primary sector, which is also called agriculture sector. Second is secondary sector or manufacturing sector, or it is also known as industrial sector. And third is tertiary sector or service sector. Tertiary means third in order. Now first we will be discussing about primary sector or agriculture sector. Primary sector or agriculture sector consists of agriculture, animal husbandry, dairying, fisheries, poultry farm, forestry, etc. So these all types of production comes under primary sector. In this sector of economy, goods are produced by exploiting the natural resources. The natural resources are exploited and then goods are produced in this primary sector. And in this primary sector, the nature plays a very big role, a vital role is played by the nature in this primary sector, like in the production of agriculture. Nature plays a role. Nature cooperates with man in the production of wood or timber, or in raising cattle. Here nature plays a big role in primary sector, and goods which are produced in this sector are called primary sector. Now we come to secondary sector or industrial sector. This sector is also known as manufacturing sector because here in this sector goods are manufactured. In this sector, small scale and large scale, medium scale, every type of industries are consisted. It includes activities related to manufacturing or construction. Both small and large sectors are included in this secondary sector. This secondary sector uses the raw material produced by primary sector. Like many agricultural goods are used in secondary sector. One example we may take that in primary sector the production of sugar cane is included, and that sugar cane is used by the secondary sector or manufacturing sector to convert it into sugar. So here this secondary sector uses the goods of primary sector. Now third is tertiary sector. As I told you that tertiary means third in order. That is why this sector is called third sector. Or here in this sector we are not producing goods. We produce the services. Which type of services? It communication, banking, insurance, transport, all these types of services are called tertiary services or tertiary sector services. So here this topic also ends. Now in part 6 we will be starting next chapter. Till then, thank you, goodbye.